For riders seeking freedom beyond the pavement without sacrificing city comfort, the Kawasaki KLX 230 SE delivers an ideal blend of performance, simplicity, and off-road prowess. Whether you're a weekend trail adventurer or a commuter who loves to explore, this motorcycle brings excitement and practicality in one durable package. The KLX 230 SE runs on a 233cc air-cooled SOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, engineered for strong low to mid-range torque. This is especially useful on technical trails, steep climbs, or even navigating stop-and-go traffic in urban areas. While the top end isn't built for high-speed highway cruising, its 6-speed transmission ensures you have the gears needed for both off-road flexibility and smooth road riding. What makes this engine special is its air-cooled simplicity. Without the complexity of liquid cooling, it's easier to maintain, ideal for riders venturing far from service stations or who prefer doing their own maintenance. What makes the SE special? The special edition variant of the KLX 230 includes key upgrades that give it more protection, better ergonomics, and style. Handguards defend your hands from branches, brush, and weather. Skid plate protects the engine case and frame when tackling rocky trails. Tapered aluminum handlebars, lighter and stronger with less vibration. Frame covers shields your boots and legs from excessive heat and wear. Gold anodized fork tubes, a premium touch that also adds corrosion resistance. These add-ons aren't just for show. They're practical upgrades that expand the bike's off-road capabilities and durability. Off-road handling is supported by a long-travel suspension setup, a 37mm telescopic front fork, and a unitrack rear suspension with adjustable preload. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance and dual-purpose tires on 21 front and 18 rear wheels, the KLX 230 SE confidently rolls over rocks, roots, and ruts while staying composed on the street. Its 134 kilograms curb weight makes it one of the lightest dual sports in its class, helping new riders feel confident while offering seasoned off-roaders the agility they crave on tight single-track trails. The Kawasaki KLX 230 SE is ideal for beginner riders looking for a forgiving yet capable dual sport, experienced riders seeking a lightweight, low-maintenance second bike for off-road fun, commuters who want a bike that can handle both urban streets and rural backroads, adventure seekers who want a simple, reliable bike that can go wherever the path leads. The Kawasaki KLX 230 SE is more than just a motorcycle. It's a gateway to adventure. Whether you're commuting through the city or tearing up a mountain trail, it offers a reliable and enjoyable experience. With practical upgrades, off-road readiness, and approachable performance, the KLX 230 SE proves that great things come in small, green packages.